Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
Do you love blueberries and lemons? We're gonna make a blueberry lemonade smoothie that's gonna cool and refresh you. As well, it's cool to make. Come on, let's make it together. To make our blueberry lemonade smoothie, we're gonna go with our almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but we use plant-based milk here. Now, all the ingredients and measurements will be in this video for you. Okay, and we're gonna add 1 scoop of our protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder of your choice as well. And then we're gonna add, I know it may seem weird, a little bit of lemon juice, because we are making lemonade, so we need lemon juice. And we're gonna add some blueberries as well. Let's add our blueberry yogurt first. And you can use whichever yogurt you choose, Greek, whatever brand is to your liking, to your preference. And now we're going to add our lemon yogurt. Now, being the fact that it is some acid in here, you can choose to use a sweetener of your choice. You can use a stevia sweetener if you're into that, or honey or maple syrup. I'm going to use dates. I'm going to use 3 dates. Okay, so what I've done, because I want my yogurt to be nice and thick, is that I actually took some yogurt that I also froze in these little silicone molds. And if you're interested, I could, drop the link to let you know. But I have lemon frozen yogurt as well as blueberry frozen yogurt. And then this is the best way to kind of get your zest so you don't lose any zesting. So if you take it and you freeze it, now you won't be able to cut it and get the juice out of it, but you will be able to get a lot of zest from it. You see? Look at how the zest comes off really easily. Just by freezing it.
Here's our vitamin content.
Okay, so I added a little bit more blueberries in it because I just wanted to have a little bit more blueberries. So that's your option. And we're gonna blend it. It smells nice and refreshing here because of the lemon zest that we zested.
And here are a list of ingredients.
So let's pour our smoothie. Look at that beautiful color. So I'm just gonna zest a little bit just to kind of garnish our smoothie with a little yellow. Yeah, just so it could kind of look cutesy. Get a little bit of blueberries here. There we go. Just add a little bit of blueberries for garnish. They're kind of sinking down, but you have an idea. We have the nice little zest on the top of it, and you have the blueberries there. So we have our resident taste tester here, Mr. Gio, and he's gonna let us know how this blueberry lemonade smoothie tastes.
Well, let's see.
It at least smells good and refreshing.
Has a very creamy, smooth texture in it, tastes pretty well like a blueberry lemonade. I'm not gonna lie, with the zest and everything, just brings it all together, and the chunkiness from the blueberries just adds all together for a nice refreshing drink on a hot summer day.
Okay, let me try it. This is really good. To me, it's a perfect balance of the sweetness that you need. Because when you're hot, you don't want to be with stuff that's so overly sweet, all that sugar. And the zest, Gio's right, refreshes you down, gives you that nice, fresh, and even inside here in our little studio, it smells totally fresh. And that's because of the zest and the blueberries in here with the nice little chunks, and you see the speckles of the blueberry. So good. Lots of antioxidants in here for you. Vitamin C. You can't go wrong. Definitely a great pick-me-up in the morning or after a workout. Have this blueberry lemonade smoothie. We appreciate you hanging out with us today. Let me take another sip. We ask you to come back and hang out with us again in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself, and God bless you.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran Glover has something for every meal and love in every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.